We're about to embark on another little hike, Cindy and I, heading off this time to the Bear Creek Provincial Park hike trail, right across from Bear Creek Provincial Park. I have marbles in my mouth today. We are here. Let's do the Canyon Rim Trail. This little trail is right off the main. Yeah, so much for the warm-up. Just get right to it. Straight to the top. Well, we're about 3 minutes into this little hike. And already my Garmin watch is giving me kudos for climbing. And I thought it was supposed to get cooler when you go up, but apparently not. It's just getting hotter. On the next section of the trail, obviously saw the fire, burned out stumps everywhere, turning things into a alpine meadow. So I'm pretty tuckered out because I think we've come about 506 miles right now, which is approximately 800 kilometers. And you know, one of the reasons why I married my wife is because she's so accommodating. So Cindy has agreed to carry me up the next chunk of the canyon, which shouldn't be too difficult for her. So if I had to make one comment, well, that's a lie. I'm going to make a lot more than one comment. But the trails really aren't, there's not a lot of signage. So you got to really keep your head up, which is probably not a bad idea. So this is where you have a choice. You can either take the, it's called mid-loop trail, which goes that way, or you can take the full loop trail, which goes that way. And as you can see, either the signs burned down in the fire years ago, or there've never been any here. Well, we inadvertently took the mid-trail, and we could have been finished in an hour hike. And we're actually glad we took that mid-trail because it allowed us to get to lookout number 5, which was quite scenic. That was the last one you just saw. But now we're going to take the rest of the loop and probably go all the way around again. Yeah, you definitely want to have your camera or your phone ready because there are some fantastic shots from up here.